Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can replace this Toyota Prius car's new remote key. And now I have in here really new remote key. Look, it works. And this is from another Toyota Prius car. And in my car there is a situation that my central lock is not working, and that's I purchased this some another used car set. And now I will show that. Okay, and then if you have situation that you have maybe lost your Toyota Prius this smart key, or it is not working, like in that way, you can really replace that issue so that you purchase all of these old parts, some old used car, some person who owns old Prius, and next I will show that what parts you have to purchase if you are planning to replace Toyota Prius keys. Okay, first thing is that you have to be in remote control, and all of these parts have to become in same car also, and you have to be key, and then this key slot is also good. You can use this N, means that they are in same series. This is first one, and then you need first computer, and this computer is look, there is this number code, and you have to be just similar number, otherwise you are in issues. There are this code 89114703, same numbers in your cars, and this first part is network gateway computer. This is really computer what controls all Toyota Prius computers works, and this is really small smart computer like cell phone. And then we need next part, and this is part what name is receiver door control, and we need to replace this part also. Network receiver door control. This part controls doors locking and closing. And next part is this ECU immobilizer. This is unit what controls with smart key, and we have to just be this part, and there we can see this product code, and when we replace we have to be just same numbers near, otherwise these computers they are not working together. And this is like fourth part, and then we have next computer, and this is now MPX PSC computer, and this controls this network, and this is also, there are product numbers, and it looks like that, and we have to get this part also. And then the car's main computer, where are all stored, and this is really engine computer, we need to purchase that one, and there is code, and this is really Toyota Prius cars, this main computer what controls engine and all other stuff also, like key memory and these things. And here we have final part what we have to purchase, and this is computer what is HV control, and this is, in my understanding, this is like hybrid system computer, and really this is like laptop. And when we replace all of these parts, then our new key works. So easy. that we need to only purchase that kind of stuff, and if we lost our key, then our car works again. And no any programming or no anything else is needed. Only we replace these parts. Okay, and our first step is to take out this dashboard and remove these console panels, and let's look at how I open and I remove those. Okay, and if I have tool like that, I can install my tool in here and bend these things carefully in that way, and then these parts opens nicely. Okay, and now I remove this screw and that screw in here, and now these parts, they are loosened, and then I remove these connectors in that way. Good. And then we look in this area. There's connectors also, that key, and I remove these also. And now this cover, it is down, and we can let this part in this position, and then we go in up area, and this up cover opens, and there we have connector. That side, what I open, this part this way. Good. It opens nicely, and now this cover is easy to remove, that part, start and stop switch. Good. And after that I need to lift up this upper cover. This cover opens nicely, only some screws in there, and of course this cover opens nicely now. And I take this connector that way away. Cool. And now this side cover is free. And let's look at where we have. Next part is to take this dashboard out. There are bolts what we need to open both sides. And now when both sides are free, in here and in here, everything looks good. Then I can only lift up this front panel, and there is really dashboard. And now it is good to take battery away, or we can keep that in here. And there is this my meter, and now I only carefully pull out this whole system, both sides away. There is airbag, but connector I have to disconnect in here, this yellow line. I do that next. Okay, and then we'll look these computers location in Toyota Prius. The main computers are in this passenger side, this area. There we can see this is the main computer, this left one, and that is hybrid computer. And here we can see those cable slot. There are those main computers, and after that there is next computer in this area, and the most difficult computer is below of these items in here. And if you like to, I can do video. And next computers, there is one and one in there, and there are those computers in these areas. And one computer is also in below of these hoses in here.